Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area between the $6 mark and the $4 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $4.636 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I now believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $9.5 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $16.049 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliott wave count within the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3 that I'm expecting to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term scenarios, you can see on the 1-hour chart, after seeing our low in the formation of that wave 2, that is the larger Elliott wave count 2 within this red target area, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliott wave structures, where you can see I have this Elliott wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $7.6 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $6.138 mark and the $5.309 mark, which is a target area at the time of this recording we have fully maximized, meaning there are high chances that we might have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and soon we are going to start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And if that is the case and we start gearing up, you can also be able to sketch out target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $9.972 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting Filecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And I will also be expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. So here on the Filecoin chart, you can see that we have fully maximized our target area, meaning there are high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and as long as we are holding within this blue target area, then soon we are going to see the breakout to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, and also manage to break above these highs at around the $7.6 mark, which will be the first confirmation that we are back in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. I also need to prepare you for the worst case scenario in case we lose this blue target area to the lower side. So in case we continue seeing further breakdown, lose this blue target area to the lower side and continue retracing even further, then there are chances that we might see one more leg down to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2. And if that is the case, we can term whatever we are seeing over here as a massive ABC corrective structure, having these as the wave A, then a wave B, then the wave C to give us one more leg down within this red target area in the formation of that wave 2 before we can start our massive run up to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what we can expect here on the short term scenarios, and also on the worst case scenario in case the breakdown continues and we lose our blue target area. But as long as we are holding within the blue target area, then I'm expecting a breakout very soon in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side, and that is what I'm expecting here on the Filecoin chart. And getting back to the 4-hour chart so that we can take a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, whether we are going to see a reaction of the blue target area to give us the breakout to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 very soon. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.